Today, this is not going to be a traditional video from me. I'm going to pull back the curtain a little bit and I'm going to talk about a subject that quite frankly pisses me off. I got some things to get off my chest. Let's get to it. What up, everybody? George Langabeer here. I started this channel back in January of 2021. That was 315 videos ago. Here we are 5 years later, and this year, in 2026, I'm going to announce to you that I am no longer doing paid sponsored videos. You're still going to get my normal reviews and product reviews and things like that. I'm just not doing sponsored videos anymore. And I'm about to explain to you in great detail as to why and the reasons piss me off. But to you subscribers that are loyal and that know me and know that I'm always going to give you fair content and tell you like it is, people that have been with me from the beginning, people that got me through stage 4 colon cancer with your support, that kept me positive. My oncologist calls me a walking, talking miracle. And I'm telling you right now, a big part of that is because I stayed so positive because of your love and support. And you have no idea how much not only I appreciate that, but my family as well. So to you subscribers out there, past, present, or future, I love you because you're coming to me for fair reviews. You don't question my integrity. But the message of this video is to the assholes out there that do question my integrity, the people that pop in and out of my comment section, the people that just show up once in a while, watch one video, and then just base everything off of that and don't do their research and find out more about me. So I want to give you a little peek behind the curtain on how YouTube works and try to defend myself. So here we go. All right, so first thing I want to talk about is me as a professional YouTuber. This is my full-time gig. How the heck do I make money? There's a couple main methods that we all use, and the number one is ad revenue. All right, so you're watching YouTube. You're not paying for ad-free YouTube Premium. You know this. If you're not paying for that, you know that you see ads before the videos, after the videos, during the videos. We, as the content creators, make money from those ads. It's no different than a TV commercial during a television show. You know that ad spot is paying the TV show to put their ad there. Same thing with YouTube. Now, I will tell you, as a medium-sized channel like myself, I don't make enough of those ads to make this a full-time gig. I just don't. So there's other ways you can make money. The second way is affiliate links. So whether it's Amazon or the brand's affiliate link itself, that's a link that we can put in the description of the video that you can purchase that product that we're talking about, and we get a little kickback for that. Now, I might be talking positively about the product or negatively about the product, but one thing I've learned after 315 videos is sometimes you, the consumer with free will, still want to buy it whether I liked it or not, and that's fine. That's your choice. And then you still want to support me by clicking on that affiliate link, and that's beautiful. It's a win-win. You want to purchase it still? I want to make a couple bucks? That's great. Click on my affiliate links. So that's another way that we make money as creators. Lastly, and that's the reason we are here today, and what I am done with, is paid sponsored videos or brand deals, where a creator will make a deal with a brand to promote or talk about their product, and in return, not only are we getting the product for free, but they are also compensating us for that video or series of videos. All right, so now talking about these paid sponsored reviews being a problem for me, I want to deep dive into that a little further. I want to explain to you how YouTube reviews work. As creators, there's a couple different ways we can go about it. Number one, we can find a product we like, that we think our subscribers will like, or we just think it's really cool, and we can pay for it with our own money. And that's fantastic. So we'll test it, we'll review it, and that's great for everybody. However, I will tell you that gets a little expensive. For example, several robot vacuums come out each year, $1,500 a pop, $2,000 a pop for a flagship vacuum. Really expensive as creators to fund all that. In my case, expensive security camera systems. Really hard for me to support that with my own money and still make money on YouTube. So that takes us to the second way we can do a review, and that's a product exchange in exchange for a review. So the brand is going to give us a free product in exchange for us reviewing it. And there's a couple different ways that can go. Number one, the brand can expect us to say what they want us to say, and that's not happening for me. And I know that's not happening for the creators that I love to watch and that I love to support. So goodbye to those. Or they can be a brand that wants you to do a review just to get the name out there, and they don't care if you're positive or negative. It's just a new brand, and any publicity is good publicity kind of thing. That's fine. I'll try that product, especially if it's something cool and that I think you subscribers will like, and I'll say what I want to say about it. And they're just happy that we're talking about it. Or there's the more reputable brands that we tend to work with a lot that'll send us free product, and they will actually act upon our feedback, positive or negative. Brands like Akara, they are famous to actually listening to us. They will improve products right there on the spot with firmware updates. Or they'll take our criticism and they'll improve future products. Those are the brands that I love to work with because we're all winning. We're getting product for free. They're letting us be 100% unbiased and talk about their products as we see fit. And then they're actually listening and doing something if we don't like it. Now I will say this, I want every product that I try to be the most wonderful thing in the history of the world. I'm a tech enthusiast and I want this all to rock my world and blow my mind. But if it sucks, I'm going to tell you that it sucks. But it's great for us as creators because then we're not supporting all this with our own money, but we're still able to have the freedom to talk about the product as we see fit. So I don't care who these people in the comments are saying that if I got a product for free that I won't be honest. Bullshit. I 100% promise you, I'm going to tell you like it is. All right, and then the other way we do reviews is the paid sponsored videos, where not only are they giving us the product for free, but they are giving us additional money to talk about the product. Now, I'm done with this for a couple different reasons. Number one, the reasons that I told you about, the assholes in my comment section saying that I'm not being honest, because I still am. Because these companies will approach you, and with these paid sponsorships, usually they try to do a contract. Sometimes they don't, but usually they try. They want you to do a script, and they want you to give them a draft. Here's how I approach that. Number one, if we're going to do a contract, I will have it in the contract that I'm allowed to say what I want to say, because I will not bend on that 100%. I will not. Some creators out there will just say whatever the brand wants to say. That's not me, and that's not the creators that I know and love. We will talk about it freely, whether we're paid or not, and I will put that in the contract. Number two, I don't do scripts. I talk off the cuff. That's just the way my personality works. I'd be a freaking robot if I did a script, and that's not happening. I respect you all too much for that to happen. And also they want to submit a draft so they can look at it and approve it. Screw that. I will put it in the agreement that there is no draft. I'm putting it out there for them to see, just like you're going to see it, as I see fit. And if they don't like that, I'm not working with them and I'm not getting paid. So you've seen some paid sponsorships on my channel, but it's only brands that I know will let me do my thing, like Eufy, Relink, ALIBI Security. They're great about just letting me do my thing. Now, ALIBI, I'm not sponsored by them. I don't have any relationship with them other than I'm a dealer of theirs, and I just like talking about them. Because if it's a product that I love, you damn well be sure that I'm going to keep talking about them, because I know you will enjoy their products, and it'll be products that you can keep forever. But there are brands out there that are just beautiful to work with, whether they're paying you or not. But if you're not one of those brands, I don't work with you. And that is the other reason I am not doing these sponsored videos anymore, because with those brands that are difficult about paid videos, it just ruins my relationship with them. And I'm talking about some really big brands that I was excited to work with. And it's really unfortunate that I have to stop working with them because they want me to be their robot, and I'm not going to do that. They want me to just say what they want me to say. Not happening. And I'm sick with arguing with those people. I am a stage 4 cancer survivor. I've had enough stress over the last few years to have to worry about these assholes in the comment section and these brands that are being assholes and wanting me to say what they want me to say. I'm done with it. So that is why I'm done with paid sponsored videos in 2026. It's just not worth the hassle. But for the rest of it, just know, my promise to you, if I paid for the product, I'm going to tell you like it is. If I got it for free and I'm doing a review for them, I'm going to tell you like it is. And my other promise to you is no more paid sponsored videos. Even though I was still very honest with you, I'm just done with it. So I hope this clarifies that. I hope people will watch this video and do their research before they judge me, because I can't even tell you how much that pisses me off. But for those of you that support me, And know that I'm going to tell you like it is and appreciate my reviews. Again, I freaking love you. And I will always be here to do these reviews for you. And I listen. You know, there are people out there that just don't like content creators that do paid videos. I appreciate that. And that's why I'm done. Now, I will pay for every product that I can with my own money. But these brands that want to send me something for free, that'll let me have free reign of what I'm going to say, bring it on. And I hope you understand that is not going to affect what I say to you in any way, shape, or form. All right, so again, this is something I needed to get off my chest because I'm sick of having my integrity questioned. I've been catching crooks for 25 years. I sure as hell am not a crook. I'm a guy that wanted to help people. And that's why I got on YouTube. Shit, even brands like ALIBI Security. You know, I'm a dealer for them. I have been for years. I never even wanted to sell a thing for them. But people started asking me what my favorite camera system is. I started telling them. But with professional grade cameras, I don't care if it's ALIBI or anybody else, when you're talking about the residential world, they are not usually available to the general public. You have to go through a dealer. I happen to be a dealer. I happen to love them. Again, I think you'll love their products too. That's why I talk about them. I'm not just shoving some product down your throat because I don't believe in it, because I'm trying to make a buck. No, it's something that I really believe in, that's a brand that's taken good care of me. But I never wanted to sell their stuff. I just wanted to talk about them because I love to talk about them. But sure as shit, people around the country and around the world kept asking me how they could buy it. So sure, I'll do a video on them and you can buy it from me. How does that hurt anybody? It doesn't. It doesn't mean I sold my soul. It doesn't mean anything. And that goes for any product that I believe in. I'm going to talk about them more often because I know they're going to give you more value, and that's what matters to me. So anyway, what is your take on paid sponsored videos? I'd love to know your thoughts. Let me know constructively in the comments. I'm not going to lie to you. There are some content creators out there, big channels, that'll just do anything a brand tells them to do, or work for any brand just to make the money. And they're out there. They are totally out there. But I am not them. And the content creators that I love and that I watch and that I'm friends with are not them. They do content for you, products that they believe in, and they're going to tell you like it is, just like me. Not everybody is a freaking robot all about the money. Yes, we do need to make some money to make this our full-time gig, but we can do it in a way that still helps you and is fair to you and not just giving you some line of BS like some people think that I give you. Bullshit, and it pisses me off. But please, let me know in the comments. I appreciate your support so much. For those of you that give me honest feedback and constructive feedback, you can bring that on all you want. It's the people that question my integrity that can just go away. Goodbye. But for the rest of you, please come back for more. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I love having you here. I love doing these reviews for you. So until the next one, peace and love, my friends.